Imagine a universe draped in silence, where light dances softly through an infinite void, whispering secrets only the stars can understand. In this vast expanse, a paradox stirs, a cosmic mystery cloaked in shadow, whispering of a hidden truth. Could it be that we are living within a cosmic void, a silent hollow where matter is 20% less than we once believed? Perhaps, amid the silent expanse, the very fabric of space is subtly shifting, inflating the universe's expansion rate in a localized embrace, with the Milky Way at its mysterious heart. Like a celestial heartbeat, this gravitational anomaly might be distorting our view of the cosmos, whispering that the universe's story is far more delicate and more mysterious than we ever imagined. What if the universe's true nature is a delicate balance between light and shadow, a secret kept by the silent vastness? A story where our very existence hinges on a cosmic illusion, a delicate dance between what we see and what remains hidden. But what lies behind this cosmic veil? Imagine standing beneath a vast starlit sky where the universe stretches beyond the horizon of human understanding, a boundless tapestry woven with countless galaxies shimmering like distant fires in the darkness. This cosmic expanse, seemingly infinite, is often pictured as a grand, evolving fabric, an intricate dance of light and shadow, of matter and mystery. Yet, beneath this majestic veil lies a profound enigma. What if our universe is not the complete picture? What if, in its vastness, we are dwelling within a colossal void, a silent expanse that contains 20% less matter than we once believed, an emptiness that whispers of secrets yet to be uncovered? Visualize the universe as a colossal, shimmering ocean. Usually, we see it as a vast, rippling mass, filled with shimmering waves of galaxies, stars, and cosmic dust. But what if, lurking beneath the surface, there exists a profound depression, an empty basin where the fabric of space itself is thinner, less dense than expected? This is the hypothesis that offers a new perspective on one of modern cosmology's most perplexing puzzles: the Hubble tension, the conflicting measurements of the universe's expansion rate. Dr. Indranil Banik proposes a bold idea. Perhaps the universe's expansion is not uniform, but influenced by a gravitational anomaly centered on our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Imagine the Milky Way at the heart of a gravitational anomaly, a cosmic whirlpool that locally inflates the rate at which the universe expands. This is no ordinary gravitational tug, it's a subtle distortion that warps our perception, making the universe seem to expand faster than it truly does. It's as if we're standing in the middle of a massive, invisible gravitational well, distorting the very fabric of the cosmos around us. This anomaly could be the key to understanding why our measurements of cosmic expansion differ depending on how we look, suggesting that the universe's true nature might be more complex and layered than we ever imagined. Picture the universe as an intricate, dynamic sculpture, an endless interplay between light, shadow, and hidden structure. The idea that our galaxy might be at the center of a gravitational anomaly challenges our sense of cosmic insignificance. It raises questions about whether our entire universe is a delicate balance of illusions, where reality's true form is concealed behind layers of gravitational effects and cosmic illusions. What truths might be hidden within this infinite architecture? Are we merely explorers peering into a grand deception, or are we on the cusp of uncovering a fundamental shift in our understanding, where the universe reveals its true, awe-inspiring nature? As we venture deeper into this cosmic mystery, the horizon of discovery widens, inviting us to contemplate not just the universe outside, but the profound depths of what it means to be part of this vast, enigmatic cosmos. Imagine, for a moment, that we are living inside a vast cosmic whisper, a silent void that holds fewer stars and matter than we ever thought possible. Picture the universe as a delicate fabric, subtly stretched and shaped by unseen forces, with our galaxy at its very center. A place where gravity's gentle hand creates ripples and anomalies, gently shifting our view of the cosmos. Dr. Indranil Banik's hypothesis invites us to see this grand dance differently, to feel the universe's expansion not as a steady march, but as a delicate local burst of acceleration, a hidden rhythm hiding just beyond our perception. As we drift through this quiet celestial landscape, let's reflect on the mysteries woven into the fabric of space and time. If this story touched your heart, if these stars whispered something familiar to you, perhaps you'll leave your voice in the comments, sharing your thoughts. Let's return to where it all began, together, beneath the endless sky. In the beginning, there was only an endless, formless void, a silent abyss where time itself had yet to take shape. It was a realm of pure potential, akin to the primordial darkness before dawn, where chaos reigned as an uncharted cosmos awaiting its birth. Imagine that moment as the breath before the first cry, when the universe lay in silence and darkness, a vast expanse of unformed dust and distant echoes. From this abyss, the first whispers of order began to stir. It was as if an ancient spark ignited within the darkness, a flicker of fire that would ignite the primordial chaos. This spark was not a flame yet, but a gentle stirring, an embryonic pulse that would eventually give rise to stars, galaxies, and the intricate dance of cosmic structure. The chaos, once unbounded, started to fold into patterns, like the slow coalescing of dust motes drifting in a quiet wind, drawn together by unseen forces. Imagine the universe as a magnificent birth chamber, where chaos was transformed into form through a delicate, relentless process. In this cosmic womb, density fluctuations grew, and gravity, the silent sculptor, began to carve order from the chaos. Tiny irregularities in the primordial soup served as the first seeds of structure, pulling matter into swirling clouds of gas and dust. These clouds, infused with the potential for life, ignited as stars, fiery forges of creation, burning with the intensity of ancient suns. Stars, in their fiery births and deaths, became the universe's alchemists. Their nuclear furnaces fused hydrogen into heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, elements that would eventually become the building blocks of planets and life itself. As these stellar giants aged, they expelled their enriched guts into the cosmic ocean, scattering dust and elements across the void. In their death throes, supernovae, they became cosmic fireworks, illuminating the darkness with bursts of light, dispersing the very material necessary for the next chapter of creation. It is in this cycle of birth, death, and rebirth that the universe's true poetry is written. Every star's demise whispers a promise of renewal, transforming silent dust into new worlds, new possibilities, new stories waiting to unfold. Through these violent yet creative acts, order emerges from chaos, and from the ashes of ancient stars, a universe rich in diversity and complexity takes shape, a testament to the relentless, sacred rhythm of transformation. And yet, amid this grand cosmic symphony, the universe remains a delicate balance of forces, some invisible, some felt only in the silent depths of space. It is as if the universe itself breathes, exhaling and inhaling in a slow, majestic rhythm, shaping the very fabric of reality. The universe is not merely a vast expanse of matter and energy, but a living poem written in the language of fire and dust, a story etched into the fabric of eternity. But what lies beneath this majestic melody? What remains buried in that ancient silence, the primordial whisper before the universe's first breath? Are we mere spectators in a story that began long before our time? Or are we part of a deeper, more mysterious design? As we peer into the depths of the cosmos, seeking answers, we are reminded that the origins of all things are still shrouded in mystery, waiting patiently in the darkness of the past. In the quiet archives of science, each discovery is a whisper from the past, a delicate inscription etched into the fabric of time itself. Imagine holding a diary, each page a snapshot, each ink stroke a memory of cosmic events long gone. yet forever imprinted in the universe's silent chronicle. Light, the universe's fastest messenger, carries these stories across incomprehensible distances, acting as a luminous thread, weaving history into the present. Take, for example, the faint glow of MeV emissions, MeV, or million electron volt photons, that dance from celestial sources. These energetic whispers are not mere signals. They are the echoes of nucleosynthesis, the universe's own alchemical laboratory. When stars forge new elements in their fiery cores, they leave behind these energetic signatures, fossils of nuclear reactions that occurred billions of years ago. Each photon, traveling through the void, is a fragment of a cosmic diary entry, recording the moment when the universe's primordial elements transformed into the building blocks of planets, life, and even us. These emissions are more than just data. They are time capsules, fragile yet profound. They allow us to peer backward, beyond the light's journey, to witness the universe's earliest chapters. In the glow of these energetic photons, we find evidence of the universe's infancy, moments when matter condensed and nuclear fires ignited in the vastness. It's as if the universe itself keeps a ledger of its creation, and through these signals, we read its handwritten notes, revealing a history written in the language of energy and matter. But beneath these records, something is still alive, an ongoing story that challenges our understanding. The universe's expansion appears to be faster than expected, especially when we consider the apparent paucity of matter, about 20% less than our models suggest. Could it be that we are living inside a cosmic void, with our galaxy at the heart of a gravitational anomaly? Such a notion is like discovering a hidden chapter in our diary, one that hints at a local inflation, an accelerated expansion around us, not the universe as a whole. This idea reframes our view. Instead of seeking new physics, perhaps the universe's rhythm is more intricate than we imagined. The Milky Way, at the center of this gravitational ripple, acts like a buoyant bubble, inflating the local fabric of space more rapidly than the distant cosmos. Here, the universe's expansion rate isn't uniform, but shaped by the invisible dance of gravity and matter, an elegant yet mysterious choreography that we are only beginning to decipher through the light we observe. Every photon, every fossil, every piece of data is a thread woven into this cosmic tapestry. They carry the silent testimony of a universe that breathes and changes, that preserves its history in the glow of ancient emissions. And as we listen carefully to these whispers from the past, we realize that the universe's story isn't just about distant galaxies or elusive dark matter. It's about us, living within a vast, complex narrative, one that invites curiosity and humility, reminding us that even in the silence of the void, life's story persists, waiting to be uncovered through the luminous language of time. Imagine a vast, silent expanse stretching beyond our perception, where the universe's deepest secrets lie hidden beneath layers of invisibility. Beneath the glittering stars and swirling galaxies, there exists a terrain so subtle, so microscopic, that it escapes the naked eye, yet its influence ripples across the cosmos. This is a realm of unseen forces, an invisible landscape that shapes the very fabric of our universe. Scientists have long pondered the mysterious discrepancy known as the Hubble Tension, the conflicting measurements of how quickly our universe is expanding. Now, Dr. Indranil Banik proposes a radical hypothesis. What if we are living inside a vast cosmic void, an enormous region with about 20% less matter than expected? This isn't just a theory about distant galaxies, it's about a hidden structure within the universe itself, a gravitational anomaly that locally inflates the expansion rate around us. Picture the universe as a colossal, complex machine, with gears and cogs too tiny to see. Among these unseen components is a magnetar, an ultra-dense neutron star with magnetic fields so intense they distort space itself. Invisible to telescopes, yet powerful enough to influence the motion of nearby matter, the magnetar acts as a hidden anchor in this cosmic labyrinth. It's a microscopic titan, a beacon of unseen energy, subtly warping the fabric of space-time and contributing to the inflation of the universe's expansion rate in our neighborhood. This unseen terrain is not just a metaphorical concept, but a real physical environment, an extreme, microscopic world where gravity and magnetic forces collide in ways we are just beginning to understand. The Magnetars' magnetic field lines stretch and twist through this hidden realm, creating a gravitational well that pulls and pushes on surrounding matter. Its influence extends beyond what we can detect directly, shaping the expansion of the universe in a localized bubble of accelerated growth. Contrast this with what we see: the vastness of space, the glowing filaments of galaxies, the silent dance of planets. Yet beneath it all, an unseen battleground persists. Here, the very fabric of reality is being stretched and molded by forces so tiny and intense that they defy our senses. It's a world of extremes, microscopic yet cosmic, invisible yet decisive. But what kind of life waits inside this silence? Is it a realm of chaos? Or does it hold a delicate order, a hidden harmony orchestrated by these unseen titans? As we peer into the depths of this unseen terrain, each discovery reveals a new layer of mystery, a deeper complexity lurking beneath the surface. The magnetar, the gravitational anomaly, the microscopic forces, all whisper of a universe that is not only vast, but also profoundly intricate at scales we cannot yet perceive. In this shadowed landscape, the question remains: could understanding these unseen structures finally resolve the tension in our measurements? Could the universe's true nature be hidden in these microscopic realms, where colossal forces operate silently, shaping the grandest cosmic phenomena? The answers lie beneath our sight, in the silent, microscopic corridors of space, waiting to be uncovered, one hidden layer at a time. Amidst the vast silence of the cosmos, where stars shimmer like distant beacons of hope, life demonstrates a resilience that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Just as the universe itself endures and adapts through forces we barely comprehend, so too does every form of life persist against odds that seem insurmountable. From the tiniest microbe clinging to a speck of dust in the deepest ocean trenches to galaxies expanding in silent defiance of cosmic forces, resilience is woven into the very fabric of existence. At the smallest scales, life's tenacity manifests in the resilience of microscopic organisms. These tiny beings, invisible to the naked eye, have survived through epochs of cosmic upheaval. They endure extreme temperatures, crushing pressures, and relentless radiation. Their existence is a quiet testament to the power of persistence. Like the delicate threads of a spider's web trembling yet holding firm against the strongest winds, these microorganisms adapt, evolve, and thrive in environments that would annihilate more fragile life forms. They remind us that survival does not depend solely on strength or size, but on resilience, the ability to bend without breaking, to find a way where no way seems possible. In the sprawling grandeur of the universe, this resilience takes on an even more majestic form. Galaxies, once born from primordial chaos, continue their silent dance across the cosmos, influenced by unseen forces and dark matter. They stretch and swirl, defying the notion of inevitable decay, much like a lone tree standing resilient in a desert, its roots reaching deep into the earth, anchoring it against the relentless wind. The universe's expansion, once thought to be slowing, now appears to accelerate, driven perhaps by unseen energies like the hypothetical regions of inflation or invisible fields. Yet it persists, resilient in its own way. It adapts to the mysterious influences that shape its fate, echoing the quiet determination found in every corner of existence. Human beings, too, mirror this cosmic resilience. We face storms, personal, collective, and environmental, that threaten to overwhelm us. Yet, like the stars that burn brightly despite the darkness, we find within ourselves a spark of perseverance. Our struggles, whether battling illness, loss, or despair, are woven into our stories of survival. Just as a seed pushes through concrete to find the sunlight, we push through our challenges, driven by hope and an innate desire to endure. If life finds a way there, in the most hostile and unimaginable places, be it the crushing depths of the ocean, the frozen wastelands of distant planets, or the silent vacuum of space, what are we capable of surviving? This question echoes through the ages, inviting us to see ourselves as part of a greater resilience that spans from the microscopic to the cosmic. It urges us to understand that endurance is not merely a passive state, but an active force, an ongoing act of hope, adaptation, and unwavering faith in the possibility of a better tomorrow. Resilience is a gentle yet persistent melody that plays across the universe. It is the quiet hum of life whispering, "I will endure," regardless of the scale or the odds. It teaches us that even in the face of the most hostile environments, growth and renewal are possible. That the struggle itself, when met with perseverance, becomes a testament to the unbreakable spirit of existence. And so, as we gaze into the depths of the cosmos, contemplating hypotheses like Dr. Indranil Banik's idea of a universe inflated around us, or the unseen forces shaping our reality, we are reminded of our own capacity for resilience. Our story, like the universe's, is one of enduring hope, a gentle crescendo leading us forward, softly yet surely, into the unknown. For if life can persist in the most hostile corners of space, perhaps it is within us, too, the innate strength to survive, to adapt, and to flourish against all odds. What if we are living inside a cosmic void, a place with 20% less matter than we thought? Dr. Indranil Banik's bold hypothesis suggests this could be the key to the Hubble tension, the baffling discrepancy in our universe's expansion rate. Imagine this: the Milky Way at the very center of a gravitational anomaly, a local inflation, a hidden force speeding up the universe's expansion right around us. It's a startling idea, one that challenges everything we believe. And yet, something is unraveling fast. The very fabric of our understanding is trembling. Could this be the breakthrough we need? Or are we missing a deeper truth? This isn't just science, it's our reality. Our place in the cosmos hangs in the balance. Comment what this awakening means to you. Because in this moment, the universe demands our attention. It demands our answer. Are we truly alone in this vast, hidden void? The universe is unraveling before our eyes, a silent but relentless collapse that echoes through the fabric of space and time. Imagine a magnetar, an incredibly dense, magnetic star, whose core succumbs to its own immense gravity, collapsing inward with a deafening silence. The intense magnetic fields distort, snap, and rupture, unleashing cataclysmic bursts of energy that rip apart the very fabric of its existence. This is cosmic death's visceral echo, an irreversible, unstoppable descent into chaos. Now, consider our Earth, teetering on the brink of its own collapse. Melting ice caps drip into the ocean like tears of a dying world. Glaciers retreat in slow, agonizing surrender. The once sturdy foundations of civilizations crack under the weight of rising seas. Storms grow more ferocious, relentless in their fury. The land itself seems to dissolve, slipping away into an abyss of environmental despair. The parallels are undeniable. Both the Magnetar's implosion and our planetary decay are driven by forces beyond control, forces that tear apart the very core of existence. In the vastness of space, galaxies, once majestic islands of stars, are disintegrating. Their spiral arms fray and unravel, stars lost to dark, silent voids. Gravitational wells weaken, and structures crumble, as if the universe itself is bleeding out. It's a cosmic hemorrhage, a slow, irreversible decay of the grand architecture we once believed eternal. The universe's expansion, once a gentle growth, now accelerates chaotically, as if the very cosmos is pulling itself apart from within. This is not just change, it's collapse on a scale so immense that it defies comprehension. a death spiral written into the fabric of reality. And in that unraveling, new powers begin to stir. The universe, in its silent agony, awakens forces long hidden, forces that threaten to reshape everything we know. Dark energies swirl, unseen but potent, whispering of a deeper chaos. The cosmic void, once thought to be an empty abyss, now reveals itself as a growing chasm, an abyss where matter has vanished, leaving behind a hollow shell. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, may sit at the center of this gravitational anomaly, a gravitational sinkhole accelerating the universe's expansion from within. This hypothesis suggests that the cosmos is not expanding uniformly, but is torn apart by unseen, invisible forces, collapsing inward while stretching outward at an alarming rate. Meanwhile, on Earth, the signs are unmistakable. The melting ice caps are not just environmental phenomena. They are the first whispers of a planetary collapse, a mirror to the universe's death throes. The seas swell with the weight of lost glaciers, threatening to drown cities and civilizations. Forests wither and die, unable to adapt to the searing heat and relentless storms. The air thickens with despair, as if the planet itself is exhaling its final breath. Humanity's fragile grip on survival trembles, threatened by the same inexorable forces that threaten the cosmos: entropy, decay, and the inevitable march toward dissolution. This is a story of collapse, cosmic, environmental, existential, an unstoppable tide that consumes all in its path. The universe's death is etched into the very fabric of space, just as the Earth's demise is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Both are irreversible, both are visceral, both demand acknowledgement, even as they threaten to erase everything we hold dear. And yet, amid this unraveling, something stirs. Hidden deep within the chaos, new powers awaken. The very fabric of reality trembles, and with it, the potential for transformation emerges. The universe, in its death throes, may also be birthing something new, an evolution born from collapse. But for now, the clock ticks louder, and the shadows grow darker. The cosmic and earthly worlds are collapsing at an accelerating pace, leaving behind only echoes of what once was, an inescapable testament that to truly understand the universe's final moments, we must confront the terrifying truth that all things, no matter how vast or mighty, are destined to fall. As we contemplate the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds, it becomes impossible to ignore the profound implications that our pursuit of cosmic knowledge carries for our own world. Space, once the final frontier of exploration, increasingly appears as a new stage where power dynamics, economic interests, and ethical dilemmas unfold with striking parallels to our terrestrial history. When we consider the idea of space mining, extracting rare Earth elements and precious minerals from asteroids, moons, and distant planets, we are, in many ways, rewriting a familiar story. The narrative echoes colonialism, where distant lands and their resources were claimed, exploited, and transformed into commodities for the benefit of a select few. Today, the allure of celestial riches risks repeating this pattern on an interplanetary scale, driven by the insatiable hunger for control and economic dominance. Yet, beneath the veneer of technological progress and scientific curiosity lies a complex web of motivations. On one side, the pursuit of knowledge, like Dr. Indranil Banik's hypothesis, serves to challenge existing paradigms, seeking innovative solutions to cosmic and terrestrial problems. Such scientific endeavors promise insights into the universe's fundamental structure, potentially offering humanity a new understanding of reality itself. But on the other side, these pursuits are often driven by strategic interests, securing access to critical resources, establishing geopolitical influence beyond Earth, and forging new frontiers for economic expansion. This raises an essential question: who benefits from this cosmic race? Historically, those with power, be it nation-states, multinational corporations, or influential elites, are the primary architects of such ventures. They shape policies, invest heavily in technologies, and carve out claims in the celestial landscape. Meanwhile, the broader population remains largely excluded, often unaware of how these activities ripple into their daily lives through increased inequality, environmental impacts, or shifting political alliances. The ethics of space mining become intertwined with concerns about environmental responsibility and social justice. Just as terrestrial exploitation has led to resource depletion, ecological degradation, and social upheaval, so too could extraterrestrial resource extraction exacerbate existing inequalities. Wealth generated from space might fuel further disparities, consolidating power within an elite class that controls not only Earth's resources, but also the new assets mined from the cosmos. The risk is that space becomes an extension of terrestrial colonialism, an arena where the powerful continue their dominance under the guise of scientific progress. Furthermore, the pursuit of control over cosmic phenomena, such as the hypothesized gravitational anomalies that influence the universe's expansion, mirrors attempts to manipulate natural laws for strategic advantage. These endeavors, while promising breakthroughs, also carry the danger of unforeseen consequences. Ethical dilemmas about playing God with the universe's fabric, akin to the debates surrounding nuclear technology or climate engineering here on Earth. In contemplating these parallels, we confront a sobering reflection. Our knowledge often outpaces our control. We possess the scientific tools to probe the universe's deepest mysteries, yet our motives are frequently entangled with the desire for dominance and economic gain. This disparity between knowledge and control underscores a fundamental human paradox. Our capacity for discovery is matched by an equally potent capacity for exploitation. And so we ask, who shapes the future and who is forgotten in its shadow? As nations and corporations stake claims in space, do we consider the ethical implications for those who are marginalized? Do we recognize the potential for new forms of colonialism, where celestial bodies become the next frontier for resource extraction, leaving behind scars that mirror those inflicted on Earth? Are we prepared to confront the moral responsibilities that come with such power? The parallels to our current global crises are unavoidable. Just as the rare earths and minerals fueling our digital age are sourced through complex, often opaque supply chains that perpetuate inequality and environmental harm, so too could the celestial resources become another mechanism for wealth concentration and ecological imbalance. The extraction of these materials risks echoing colonial practices, extracting value while neglecting the rights of indigenous communities, or, in this case, the future ecosystems and potential civilizations that might exist beyond our view. In contemplating the future, we are faced with a choice: continue advancing our technological frontiers with an unchecked pursuit of profit and influence, or develop a more ethical framework rooted in sustainability, equity, and humility. The challenge lies in balancing scientific curiosity with moral responsibility, recognizing that our actions in space will reverberate through the fabric of the universe and the moral fabric of humanity. Ultimately, the pursuit of cosmic understanding and resource control is intertwined with the fundamental question of power: who holds it, who wields it, and who is left behind. As we expand our reach into the cosmos, we must remain vigilant not to repeat the mistakes of our terrestrial history. The shadows of colonialism, inequality, and environmental destruction stretch far beyond our world, and the choices we make today will determine whether the future is one of enlightened stewardship or continued exploitation. And so we ask again, who shapes the future, and who is forgotten in its shadow? In the vast silence of the cosmos, where galaxies drift and stars burn out in slow decay, a provocative hypothesis emerges, one that challenges not only our understanding of the universe, but also our very place within it. Dr. Indranil Banik suggests that we might be living inside a cosmic void, a region with 20% less matter than expected, which could explain the mysterious tension surrounding the universe's expansion rate without resorting to new physics. Instead, He proposes that the Milky Way resides at the heart of a gravitational anomaly, a local inflation of the universe's expansion that distorts our perception of cosmic growth. This idea, radical in its implications, forces us to confront profound ethical questions about our role and responsibility in shaping the universe's future. Imagine two divergent futures, rooted in the choices we make now. The first is dystopian, a future where humanity, driven by fear, greed, and a desire for control, exploits this cosmic anomaly for power. As our understanding deepens, so does our hubris. We harness advanced technologies not to seek knowledge or harmony, but to manipulate cosmic phenomena for dominance. The discovery of the universe's inflated regions becomes a tool to expand our reach, to carve out new territories among the stars. But in doing so, we ignore the delicate balance of natural laws and the ethical limits that should govern such pursuits. We risk repeating the destructive patterns of terrestrial colonialism, extraction, marginalization, and the erosion of the cosmic environment itself. The universe becomes a resource to conquer, with the rich and powerful seizing control over cosmic anomalies, leaving behind the marginalized, those who lack access or voice, deepening the divide and fueling a new form of interstellar inequality. The sky, once a symbol of wonder, becomes a battleground for dominance, and in our relentless pursuit of progress, we forget that we are part of a larger, interconnected system. Yet, there exists a hopeful alternative, a future where awareness of our ethical responsibilities guides us in harmony with the cosmos. In this vision, we recognize that the universe's mysteries demand humility, not hubris. We understand that our place within the cosmic fabric is not one of mastery, but of stewardship. The knowledge of the universe's local inflation prompts us to ask, how can we use this understanding to foster fairness, sustainability, and respect? We choose transparency over secrecy, collaboration over conquest. Humanity, united by a shared sense of moral purpose, leverages scientific discovery to protect and preserve, not to dominate. We develop technologies that honor the universe's inherent complexity, ensuring that exploration benefits all, bridging gaps, empowering marginalized communities, and respecting natural laws. Our actions are guided by principles of justice, sustainability, and a recognition that our future depends on the collective well-being of all life, on Earth and beyond. In the end, it's not just a story of stars, it's a story of us. The choices we face today will echo through the eons, shaping whether our legacy is one of reckless exploitation or enlightened stewardship. The universe offers us a mirror, reflecting our deepest values and highest aspirations. The question is, will we let fear and greed dictate our path, or will we choose compassion, humility, and responsibility? Our agency is the fulcrum upon which the future balances. We have the power to redefine our relationship with the cosmos, to move beyond the shadows of past mistakes and step into a new era of ethical exploration. The future beckons, an open horizon filled with uncertainty and possibility. We stand at a crossroads, holding the potential to either deepen the wounds of division and destruction or to forge a legacy rooted in respect and harmony. The universe is not simply a vast emptiness awaiting our conquest. It is a living testament to the intricate web of existence, deserving of our care and reverence. Our actions now will determine whether the universe remains a silent witness to our hubris or becomes a testament to our moral evolution. So, let us choose wisely, for in doing so, we shape not only the destiny of the stars, but also the very fabric of what it means to be human. Our future depends on recognizing our role not as masters of the cosmos, but as humble custodians of its profound beauty. The universe's secrets are vast, but our greatest discovery must be within ourselves, our capacity for empathy, responsibility, and hope. Because ultimately, it is within our grasp to turn this cosmic story from one of potential darkness into a luminous testament of our highest ideals. The stars await our decision. Now, let us fall into silence and listen to the quiet whispers of the universe. Within that vast, silent expanse, we find reflections of ourselves, curious, humble, yearning for understanding. What if we are living inside a cosmic void where the very fabric of space bends to reveal our place not as rulers, but as humble explorers? Dr. Banik's hypothesis invites us to see beyond the familiar, to question the boundaries of our knowledge, and to embrace a deeper responsibility. Let your voice be the echo that shapes what comes next. Share your thoughts, your doubts, your hopes, because every insight we foster now becomes a spark in the infinite dark. Together, we hold the power to choose a future where curiosity guides us, not greed, not conquest, but reverence for the universe's quiet truths. May our reflections ripple outward, inspiring others to listen, to wonder, to act with compassion and awareness. The cosmos waits patiently, and so do we, ready to write a new chapter of humility and hope. And so, as we trace the silent whispers of the cosmos once more, we find ourselves at the edge of understanding, yet still gazing into the infinite. Dr. Banik's hypothesis suggests that perhaps we dwell within a vast, gentle void, where the fabric of space itself subtly shifts around us, shaping our perception of the universe's expansion without the need for new laws. It invites us to see our place not as mere spectators or explorers, but as humble witnesses to a cosmic dance governed by unseen forces and delicate balances. The universe's quiet expansion echoes a deeper question. Are we observers of a grand design, or participants in its unfolding? In this silent, endless expanse, the answer remains woven into the fabric of the stars, awaiting the moment when we listen beyond the noise and recognize that the universe's most profound truth is perhaps the simple, inevitable truth that we are part of its eternal, unfolding mystery.